Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewers, today's paper is about Hutchinson-Gilford Progeria syndrome, a premature aging disease. Muhammad Saad Ahmed is the lead author. Viewers, progeria is a sporadic, very rare, autosomal dominant, deadly childhood disorder. It is one of the progerioid syndromes, also known as Hutchinson-Gilford Progeria syndrome (HGPS). The disease initially involves premature aging and then death from complications of atherosclerosis such as myocardial infarction, stroke, atherosclerosis or heart failure. The lifespan of the patient is normally up to teenage or early 20s. It is usually not inherited because a patient normally dies before the age of reproduction. The most important genetic linkage between progeria and aging is shortening of telomeres and with each replication cycle. The patients are normally observed to have extremely short telomeres. Currently, 90% of the patients are said to have de novo point mutations in LMNA gene that substitute cytosine with thymine and have been found in individuals with HGPS. The most common type of HGPS mutation is located at codon 608. It could not be diagnosed at birth, but after the age of 2 years, visible prominent symptoms can be observed. Still, a lot of research is needed to solve this mystery. Hopefully, further research on HGPS would provide important clues for progeria and other fatal age-related disorders. Viewers, this article was published in May 2018 in Pakistan Journal of Molecular Neurobiology. Viewers, I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.